Fix the error performing query on Facebook. Fixing the error performing query on Facebook typically involves clearing corrupted app data or waiting out a server outage. So, in order to solve this problem, simply tap on the Facebook app for some time and tap on app info icon over here. Now simply scroll it down and tap on storage section, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on delete to confirm your decision. After that, head back and tap on force stop over here and tap on OK. After that, simply close the application. Now head over to the Play Store and go to the search bar and type for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook. Now if you see any update available over here, instead of open, simply tap on update. So as you can see, it's already showing open. That means the app is already up to date. For future use, what you can do is tap on the 3 vertical line over here and enable auto update button over here. So make sure to turn this button on. This will make sure that any updates are auto updated in your device. Now after doing this, go to your navigation bar, turn your airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, turn it off and make sure that you have a strong and reliable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is poor, you can always switch back to your mobile data. Now after that, try reopening the app and your problem should be fixed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel.